Would you agree with the statement that a decent muscle car has not been produced in decades? If so, today we'll be trying to change the minds of all the skeptics with a lineup of the newest and most powerful beasts that modern automakers and custom workshops have to offer. Get ready to witness immense horsepower, instant torque, and burning rubber. Automotive Tier 2 Daily News is presenting to you a detailed list with the most important specifications and prices. So subscribe to our channel, buckle up, and let's start the engines. Hennessey Dodge Challenger Demon HPE1000 and 1200. The solid 840 horsepower output that the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon gets from the factory no longer seems to be enough for some people, and as always, Hennessey is happy to help. For those craving more, the company offers two upgrades, HPE1000 and HPE1200, with the numbers in their name standing for horses under the hood. This increased performance is the result of a tandem of a 6.2-liter Hemi V8 and an upgraded 4.5-liter supercharger system. This mill nets up to 1200 horsepower and 948 pound-feet of torque, and puts the Demon 0 to 60 time into the hypercar range of under 2 seconds. In addition, the HPE1000 version is able to finish quarter mile in just over 9 seconds. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The new Shelby GT500 is officially the fastest street-legal production Mustang to date. Under the hood of this monster hides a 5.2-liter supercharged cross-plane crankcase engine paired with a 7-speed Tramic dual-clutch transmission. 700 horses are ready to attack the drag strip, resulting in a mid-3 second 0 to 60 acceleration and a quarter-mile time under 11 seconds. The car's aerodynamic design increases its downforce and thermal management, plus the race-tuned active chassis makes the Scoop the most performance-advanced Mustang model. On the inside, several high-tech features are present as well, including a 12-inch full-color LCD instrument cluster, an 8-inch Sync 3 infotainment, and a 12-speaker B&O Play audio system. Hope you're enjoying this muscle mania. If you're interested in more sports and supercars, make sure to follow the links in the description and the ones shown on the screen. Let's proceed. .455 Super Duty Trans Am. Trans Am Depot is a Florida-based GM-licensed auto shop that specializes in restoring classic automobiles and building resto mods based on the most iconic muscle car designs in the history of the industry. One of such models is the new .455 Super Duty Trans Am that is inspired by the 1974 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Despite using the Pontiac logo, the muscle car is actually built on the basis of the 6th generation Camaro, with a supercharged version of its V8. This engine has a displacement of 7.4 liters or 455 cubic inches, netting 1000 horsepower and 1046 pound-feet of torque. As a standard, the car sits 1 inch lower than the Camaro and has 10-spoke roller race wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Charge Mustang. Charge Automotive is the British company that specializes in development of custom luxury and performance autos. Their latest project allows electric propulsion to enter the muscle cars territory. Utilizing their experience obtained from working alongside Williams Formula One team, McLaren and Jaguar Land Rover, they will build 499 all-new 1960s Ford Mustangs with electric powertrains. The EV tech was co-developed with the recognized experts in the fields Arrival and Robo Race, while Michelin provided the tires. The body of the car will be officially licensed directly from Ford and mounted on the in-house developed platform. The electric drivetrain makes 402 horsepower, while the torque is rated at immense 885 pound-feet. Moreover, its delivery is instant. The battery pack is 64 kWh and should ensure 125 miles of driving. Not too much, but this car is mostly expected to be driven on fun weekend track days. EQUUS Base 770. On the market since 2015, This luxury muscle car combines traditional styling of the legendary 1960s and 70s models, enhanced performance, and lots of modern technological achievements. Under its hood, you will find a powerful 6.2-liter supercharged aluminum LS9 V8 that cranks out 640 horsepower and allows for a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour. The model also gets carbon ceramic Brembo brakes, performance traction management, leather-wrapped cabin, and a smartphone-compatible 7-inch media system. With a starting price of $594,000 and around $100,000 optional extras, the EQUUS Base 770 is one of the most expensive muscle cars ever created. Every unit sold is 100% handcrafted, taking over 5,000 hours to build. Mustang Shelby Super Snake. The underpinnings of the Shelby muscle car is the Ford Mustang 401 Coupe, but it has gotten countless modifications to reach the level of a true performance monster. The changes begin on the outside, with the new fascia, hood, spoilers, grille, rear panel and diffuser, plus the new wheels are 20-inch aluminums. Under the hood business of the Super Snake is a 710 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 from Ford, which is further supercharged to the 800-plus horsepower mark. The transmission is either manual or automatic, with a 0 to 60 acceleration clocked at 3.5 seconds. The rest of the improvements include Shelby brakes by Brembo, Penske track suspension, in-house designed cooling system, and performance exhaust. The Shelby theme continues on the inside with finely appointed stitching and badges. A limited number of these muscle cars will be built worldwide, and each will be branded with a unique CSM number. Hennessey Chevrolet Camaro EXORCIST. In case you're a Camaro guy, Hennessey Performance has just the right treat for you. The company's EXORCIST model is a performance conversion of the CL1 Camaro, offered as a turnkey vehicle in both coupe and convertible configurations. Limited to just 100 units total, the EXORCIST is an exclusive machine that houses a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 under the hood, delivering 1,014 horses and 883 pound-feet of torque. The boosted drivetrain allows the upgraded Camaro to go from a standstill to 60 in less than 3 seconds, finish a quarter-mile distance in 10 seconds, and achieve the impressive 217 miles per hour top speed. Dodge Challenger SRT HELLCAT Red-Eye. Since the production of Dodge Challenger SRT Demon was finished in 2018, the title of the car with the most powerful production V8 engine became vacant, but apparently not for long. In 2019, the Challenger SRT HELLCAT Red-Eye joins Dodge's lineup to compete with the all-new Corvette ZR1 and Shelby. Its engine is a modification of Demon's 6.2-liter Hemi V8 with demand 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. In order to feed this beastly machine with air, an additional hood nostril was added. The muscle car's 0 to 60 mph acceleration stands at 3.4 seconds, top speed equals to 203 miles per hour, and the quarter mile is covered in 10.8 seconds. Hennessey Dodge Charger SRT HELLCAT 1000 HPE. The Dodge Charger may be criticized by many for being too big and bulky for a muscle car. And these people have a point, as this 4-door sedan has a hard time racing versus much lighter 2-door rivals. However, technicians at Hennessey have their own opinion on the matter, and their 1000 horsepower upgrade to Dodge Charger is a proof that there is no such problem that more power won't solve. The Hennessey-tuned model has its stock 2.7-liter supercharger replaced by a 4.5-liter system to boost up the 6.2-liter V8 engine from the default 707 horsepower to a 4-digit 1000 value. Add here the 969 pound-feet of torque, and you've got yourself quite a scary mix. As a result, the Charger 1000 HPE is able to speed up from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. After seeing these beasts, are you still convinced that the American muscle is dead? Share your opinion in the comments section. Click the icons displayed on the screen to watch more interesting videos about performance automobiles, and do not forget to leave a like. Subscribe to our channel not to miss the upcoming videos, and come back soon.